Science is about to prove your double exists. It's unlikely you'll ever find him, but there he is. This other you lives in Munich and enjoys ice cream in winter. You don't even like it in summer. Let's say you have a wild side, but he's the spirit of calm. Or that he has his head in the clouds, while you are more grounded. He might have laughed at birth while you cried. Now you laugh, and he's the serious character. Maybe he was looking for adventure 300 years ago. Now you have found it. You like music, and so does he. But it sounds quite different. He might be another gender, but you would wear the same shoes. He enjoys gazing at the stars, and you prefer to reach for them. Imagine he's a celebrity. You might both walk through the same hidden village, but the photos would be worlds apart. If he were your rival, he'd want to finish first, but he'd arrive this way, and you this way. Your double and you might dream of crossing paths, or maybe someone someday will greet you as if they'd known you forever. They'd say, Ethan! But your name is Daniel. Who the f*** is Ethan? Your double and you are not the same, nor will his island be like yours. Tenerife, one island, 1,000 yous.